Yeah, this is part 3, and then what we're going to fix is now the backdrop that's here. First of all, just do the positioning of the cookie, and then just do the positioning of the background, and make a thing code. Change color, and set change color to every color, and then when flag clicked, forever if then else, not an if then else. Change color. Wait, just get this change color variable out and do it with every color, and then change color with a forever inside. Okay, so you see it changes color every time. Okay, now just time to go to back layer, and then we can just position it to 0, 0. You see? Okay, so I don't really know how to make everything, because this is all I know how to make. So, what to make now? So, please don't, wherefore I'm copying your style, but please do not do this. I'm sorry. So first of all, just do thing like this. Like that. So what this does, it's the shine of the, okay. So now that we have that, you want to do it, go to, oh, all you want to do is just position it. I think that's pretty good. Okay, let's just put it there, and then name this shine, and turns it. Okay, so you want it to go forever. Okay, it turns, but you might see it goes like that. I don't really think that's a really good thing. I recommend using dot .3. Okay, okay. So I don't know what I'm doing, guys, but let's see if one works. Okay, okay. I don't think that's good. I think this position. Let's see if this position works. Okay, yeah, this, okay, you don't really need a shine, guys, and this is probably how I make it. This is how I make my clicker games. It's really simple. I hope you enjoy. Right, this is the last part.